Well, Conor will smoke up.
Right here, the hardest hitting 145er, right here. Who the f is that guy?
Outstanding! Wow. What a way to get things started.
Woo, these guys are just standing right in front of each other.
He hurt him!
Champion of the world, Your Honor, Dustin the Diamond Poirier, undisputed UFC bantamweight champion of the world, Amanda the Lioness Nunes.
The most highly anticipated featherweight fight of all time.
Conor looks extremely loose, and Aldo looks like he's feeling the pressure of this moment.
Green trunks for the southpaw, the notorious Conor McGregor. Black trunks for the champion, Jose Aldo Jr.
Conor relaxed and smiling. Oh! He slapped him!
Conor McGregor is the new UFC featherweight champion of the world!
Oh! Unbelievable!
Too fast, too smooth, too clean, too quick. Speed kills. Too simple.
There's one thing you can expect from me, and that's the unexpected. 'Cause I'm an international super spy. Super spy!
Hey, I've been told I look just like you.
Just like me. You're a lucky man.
They told me I'm more handsome now.
Just Parisian, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, I've been told I look just like you.
Just like me. You're a lucky man.
They told me I'm more handsome now.
Just Parisian, ladies and gentlemen.
He's gonna kill me tomorrow. I'm gonna leave here in a coffin. You don't talk like that to people, man. I hope this guy gets home safe to his beautiful family, you know?
The way the fight was going, clearly you felt like it was going in your way.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. He did hit me with a good cross, just like the last fight. I didn't see it, and he kind of clipped me. A little bit buzzed, but my legs were still there. Takedown was easy. He was putting his fingers in my glove and pulling me down to throw the up kicks. I was trying to let Herb know that. This guy's a dirtbag, man.
The ground and pound was very effective.
And everybody booing, you can kiss my whole asshole.
I said, do you wanna fight me?
Speakers booming in the back, baby. No, coming for them stacks, baby.
UFC champion, notorious.
Already know who it is. It's your boy.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone.
Da 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 da. It's the motherfucking DLG.
Hey, what's up? Forrest Griffin here at the UFC Performance Institute. I got to work with Addison Rae a little bit, and coach her. She's probably the best talent I've ever seen. I hear she's already got a good career going, but if she didn't, she's now a fighting expert. And I do want to take all the credit for that. Monty, he was
Guys,
you get
right?
it? Monty didn't
Definitely
give me a lot
the
to work with.
champion.
Trying to circle away and get his wits back. Oh, he won't be getting those wits back. Maynard in real trouble. Diaz waiting for Ibrahim to step in. Nate Diaz. Nate Diaz has done it. Diaz just relentless, shot after shot. What a win from Nate Diaz. What? He's gonna look for that elbow. He's out! Referee steps in, Matt the Immortal Brown! Exactly what he was looking for tonight! But Matt Brown points to the weapon of choice tonight.